Welcome back to our channel, and here is another interview with a very happy customer that had work done by A&A Masonry.
Okay, I'm with my customer. We're now finished the job. We're just waiting to get the railings on. That's going to be the last touch to this job. This is Janina. And Janina, perhaps you can tell us why you, or how you found A&A Masonry and how was your experience?
Yes, I was looking for masonry work on my front steps and happened to listen to the radio, Mr. Frank Cohen, and he was recommending your company. I wrote the email address and then found it in all those pictures that were exactly what I was expecting. So we went forward to, and we had it done, and this is the result.
And how did you find the service and the crew and the communication and all of that experience? We had to decide some of the stone, it was getting the right color, and the configuration as well to bring the steps into a nice code. So they were more consistent, unlike they were before, and also that slight landing. And that was Eduardo and his crew that did the job.
Yeah. Well, the contact was very smooth and nice, and we had all explained what was involved more or less. And then when the work started, Eduardo and his companions, they worked very efficiently and very fast, and I was very impressed with their work. And then again, when it comes to solutions and colors, everything was explained and options given, and we decided for the colors that they look the best that could be in our situation. So the existing driveway and porch are color complementing the steps, and we're happy with it.
Awesome. Well, it looks beautiful, and you did make a beautiful choice. And there you have it, another happy customer with A&A Masonry. We'll see you on the next job.
For more information and education on home restoration, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to this channel to keep up to date on the cutting edge of home restoration and rejuvenation with A&A Masonry.